Here's in this full video I will show you how to use Houseparty app. Watch the full video to learn how it will work. Now let's begin. First of all, go to App Store and then search for Houseparty app. Here you can see the app is look like this. So now here I am open it. Now tap on here option at the right side to lock your room. Now your room locked. Now tap on arrow icon at the left top corner to see your friend request and messages when your friend will send you. Next here tap on three dot at the left bottom corner to disable camera and record voicemail. Now swipe up for more settings. Here you will see settings icon at the left top corner. Tap on it. Tap on edit profile to change profile photo. Now tap on plus icon at the center. Then tap on choose from library. Now select photo. Here you can move it and then tap choose. So here you can see that your profile is updated. So that's how you can use Houseparty app. Also you can connect it with Snapchat. Now tap settings icon, then tap permissions. So here you can see that which is allow access for this app on your device. To disconnect any, simply tap on it and then again tap on disconnect. Now tap on manage notifications so that you will get more settings for notifications. To change your account's private mode, go to settings. Here simply tap toggle off in front of private mode. And also you can again turn it on anytime. Now tap on plus locked icon to invite your friends. Tap on new or dice icon to play new game. So that's how you can use Houseparty. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.